Find the eighth term of the series 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, and so on. So let's observe here. Now, if you observe the denominators in the first term, it is basically 1 upon 1. Next, it is 1 upon 3. Next, 1 upon 5, and so on. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. Now, if you observe, denominator is basically 2n minus 1, where n is the number of terms. Okay. So now we have been asked the nth term. So the denominator will be 2 into 8 minus 1. That is 15. So our answer will be 1 upon 15. The difference between the present ages of Arun and Deepak is 14 years. 7 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 5:7. What is Deepak's present age? Now always remember difference remains the same in present, past and future. Okay. So 7 years ago the ratio is 5:7. So let's assume their ages as 5x and 7x. So their difference is also 14. So we can form the equation as 7x minus 5x is equal to 14, which gives us 2x equal to 14 and x equal to 7. That means Deepak's age 7 years ago was 7 into 7, that is 49. Now the question asked is present age. Now 49 was 7 years ago, so therefore present age will be 49 plus 7, that is 56. So that's our answer. What is the probability that a non-leap year selected at random has 53 Mondays? Now, a non-leap year has 365 days. That means it has 52 weeks and one extra day. Now, that means there are 52 Mondays for sure, and depending on if this extra day is a Monday or not, we will get 53 Mondays or not. Okay. So now probability is always favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Now total outcomes will be the number of days in a week, that is 7, and we have been specifically asked about Monday. That means favorable outcome is 1. So probability of the given question would be 1 upon 7. If 3 plus root 8 is a root of x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are integers, then a cube plus b cube is. Now, when the sum of the roots is rational and one of the roots is irrational, the other root must be its conjugate. So now we have 3 plus root 8 as one of the root, hence the other root must be 3 minus root 8. Now, from the given quadratic equation, we can say that sum of the roots is equal to minus a. And if we add the roots which we have obtained, we will get the sum as 6. Okay. Next thing, product of the roots from the given equation is nothing but b. Now, if we multiply the two roots, we will get here, as they are in the form a plus b into a minus b, the expansion is a square minus b square. So 3 square, that is 9, minus root 8 square, which is 8. Hence, we can say that a is equal to minus 6 and b is equal to 1. Now, we have been asked a cube plus b cube. So a cube, that is minus 6 cube plus 1 cube. Now minus 6 cube becomes minus 216 plus 1. Hence, the final answer is minus 215. P and Q start running on a circular track in opposite directions. They start from a point A and meet for the first, second, and third time at B, C, and A respectively. what is the ratio of speeds of P and Q? Okay. Now let's first draw a circular track. This is the starting point A. Now it is given we have to find out ratio of speeds of P and Q. From the options we can see that it is 2 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 4 is to 1. That means speed of P must most probably be greater than speed of Q. Okay. Hence P would cover a certain distance more than Q. So this is P and this is Q. If their speeds were equal, they would have meet at the halfway mark, which would be somewhere like this. But as speed of P is a bit more, they are meeting over here. Now they have given the name here B. Now again they are traveling in opposite directions. Okay, right? So that means B is over here. P continues traveling in this direction and Q continues traveling in this direction. Now as B is here, and by the same logic which I told last time that speed of P is more than speed of Q, the meeting point will be a bit greater than the halfway point. So this would be the second meeting point C. Okay. Now again we can say that this is the second meeting point C, and the people are still traveling in the same direction P and Q. Now the halfway point will be somewhere over here, but now the third meeting point is given to us as the starting point A. Okay, so now we will see here that P has completed 2 rounds and Q has completed only 1 round. Now distance is directly proportional to speed. So distance ka ratio is 2 is to 1. So speed ratio we can also say that it is 2 is to 1. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I hope you understood the solutions to each question. Solve the Enigma daily quiz and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.